Hey ladies, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is CJ, and on this channel we get into all things beauty, fashion, and just living everyday life. So if that seems like your vibe, then subscribe to the channel and let's get into the video. So in honor of my cruise coming up next month, I decided to do some vacation inspo looks. Now some of these pieces are brand new, and then some of them are already pieces that I've already had in my closet, and I will be wearing some of them on the cruise. However, not all of them will make it to the cruise, but I just wanted to bring you some looks that you could probably wear on vacation as well. So my first piece is going to be this gorgeous red dress. It is a halter top dress. I love anything halter top. I love to have my back out. Now this is a piece that I've had in my closet for a couple of years now. It is so cute. I love this dress, and I've been waiting for the opportunity to wear it again. Anything halter, honestly, I love a halter dress, a halter shirt. So if it's halter, more than likely I'm going to get it. Now the dress is very stretchy, like the material underneath as well as the sheer or the lace. That's very stretchy, but it is a mini dress. So I would say if you're taller or on the more curvy side, you might want to size up just so that it covers everything. But girl, it's vacay, so a short dress, it doesn't matter. We can still wear that on vacay. But this one will not be joining me on the cruise. I'm going to save this for when I go to like a tropical island vacation. Okay, so this next piece is brand new to the closet. I just got it from Fashion Nova like a week ago, and I was stalking this dress for a while. I was debating if I should get it, if I should not. And it is this leopard mini dress, and guess what? It's halter. So yeah, I was thinking like, okay, should I get it, should I not? Just because I did not want the dress to come and it looked cheap. Online it looked so cute, but I was afraid that it was going to look cheap in person. But when I got the dress and I tried it on, it was so cute on my body. So I definitely cannot wait to wear this. I would wear this on the cruise. I would just wear it with some flats. However, if I decide to take this on a tropical island vacation, girl, I am definitely wearing me some cute little thongs, kitten heels, because this dress is just so cute. It's so fun, it's so flirty, but it's still sexy. My back is out, my legs are out. Like, I love this dress. Okay, so the third piece that I got is this swimsuit cover-up from Amazon. It's a two-piece cover-up, and I thought it was so cute, so I went ahead and ordered it offline. Now, I was a little disappointed when I got the outfit in person because the skirt is very big. I ordered it in a size small. The top fits perfectly, but the skirt is long and it's just big on me. So I debated if I should get like an extra small, but then I was afraid that the top would be small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross my fingers. I'm going to wash the skirt and put it in the dryer and hope that it shrinks down to fit me a little bit more like tighter. But other than that, the outfit is very cute. I have a pink and yellow bathing suit that I plan to wear with this, and this is for sure coming with me on the cruise. I plan on wearing it on the day that I get off the cruise, like while we're walking on the island. I'm going to link this down below if you are interested in getting this set. Just keep in mind, if you're on the slimmer side, for sure go a size down. All right, girlies, so we have made it to the last outfit. And this is an outfit that was already in my closet. I got it about 2 years ago when I went to Mexico, and I've only worn it once. So she is definitely coming with me on the trip this time. I got this from Shein, and I did get it in a size small. The shorts fit perfectly, except with the shorts, there's like that little bulge in the front because they're like pleated. So that's the only thing that I don't like. However, if y'all pull them up a little bit and make them like more high-waisted, they'll fit nicely. You will have a little cheek hanging out, but if you don't mind that, that's cool. Now, for the top, if you are on the bustier side, the top is definitely going to give under boob. So what I like to do to prevent that is, instead of tying the top in the bow, I just wrap it around and then tie a small little bow in the back instead of like tying it in the front. But she's definitely very cute. Mexico last time I went was super hot, and I felt cool in this because it is like a linen material, so it's breezy. So any type of breeze, you're going to feel it. This is great to walk around with some cute flats and a cute little straw bag. That's how I wore last time, and that's probably how I'm going to wear it again for my cruise. but this is going to be one of the outfits that I wear, like just to walk around on the cruise, like while we're at sea. Okay girlies, we have made it to the end of the video. If you stuck around with me, thank you so much for hanging out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, stay cute, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.
Brand new whip, got